Today we're headed to a Tesla Supercharger in Racine. Visited back in December, so that's what the snow deal is all about. We're taking the back roads through Racine, headed there from Franksville, which of course now has their own Supercharger, a Supercharger for Business site. This is, the one in Racine here is a V3.5 site, so it's got the V4 stalls and the version 3 gear. Up there is Washington Avenue, which is a straight line to I-94, but we are coming into the parking lot here. Now, the best part of this channel is checking out all these sites in Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, Illinois, etc., etc. So the seasonal disconnect, if you're watching this in the summer, probably is real. So we're going to have to look past the winter coat as we get charging. Start charging, 46 cents per kilowatt hour. Right away, picked it up. And yeah, we are going. We are at a high state of charge, but I don't get to this part of the state very often, so I wanted to at least come by and check it out. And so yeah, we are not going to see high speeds. 57, yeah, all right. At 78%, that's pretty good. So let's go thumbs up on speed, minimal hassle, really easy with the app. These V4 machines are a little different than ones that I've used in the past, where there isn't like the magic dock stuck up in it. It just kind of has the cable just sits in the machine. The other thing that's different is that while you can pull up on both sides, which kind of alleviates the problem parking by like cars like this one or the Cadillac Lyric next to me, or Lyric or Optic, I don't know, it's a Cadillac. There are stickers on both sides that tell you which handle you should use from each side. So that's nice. So thumbs up there. We're at a nice little mall in Racine. There's a festival, Kohl's, Five Below. Yeah, this is a good place. So thumbs up for amenities as well. I don't see any food. Oh yeah, there's a Jimmy John's, Starbucks. Good thumbs up here. Yeah, these are good cables. It's long. I did have to move a little bit from when I originally pulled in because I was thinking I would probably use the one on that's right in front of me. But following the stickers, I had to move over a little bit so I didn't torque it too much. But that's good. So, I mean, this is a four thumbs up. Good spot. Getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 cars here out of the 8 stalls. So, or 2, 4, 6. Yeah, 8 stalls. I can count. So, yeah, good stuff. I would definitely come back here if there was a reason to be in Racine. When I came down to Pleasant Prairie, there was a chance I was going to come up here, but I got such high of a charge at Pleasant Prairie, I did not need to come any further to get any more electrons. And I'm kind of in the same spot today, and we're already at 80%. Second time I was close, I couldn't pass it up. So let's take a look around. Garbage and recycling here. Almost looks like they're going to put more in here. Well, we are at 85%. Charging stopped at 427. Yeah, we are good to go. Thank you, Amphenol adapter. Again, love that you can just disconnect it, hold this in one hand and that in the other. It is glorious. So we will see you at the next charge.